Alright, this morning we have a BG300. This is electric. We got no gas in this. So, as you can see, we are broken. So apparently they have already ordered this backplate, and that's what we're gonna do. Just take off this backplate, put on the new one. This one's gonna be fun. So here's our new piece we have here, new backplate we have here. Just gotta take this off. This off. Actually comes with a bunch of the little stuff, which is good. I'm not gonna have to switch that over, but that obviously is gonna have to come off. The power line's gonna come down, run through everything. But we have the straps already on here, clip already on here. This one's gonna be good. Set this over to the side somewhere where it don't fall down and break. Just like so. So let's just jump right in. Let's just start taking things apart. Go ahead and get that loosened up. All right. All right, so that's off. Let's go ahead and get this guy. Yeah. Let's see if we can pop that. Oh yeah, a lot of wires. A lot of wires. We're actually going to take a picture of this, even though it all should go in relatively the exact same. I'm going to take a picture of this after we give it a quick blow, for reference, you know, just so we can double, triple check that all these wires go back in exactly where they're supposed to go back in. So let's get a picture of that. And there we go. After a quick blow, all them colors came back. We can definitely tell the difference in the colors. I got my picture. Let's just keep taking some stuff off. Let's see what else we got in here. Do this. Right, nope. That didn't do a lot. Let's go ahead and take this off. That did nothing. And now we got her moving a little. Yeah. All right. Why not? Just for funsies. Ah. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yep. There we go. Is this just slide right out? Alright, well at least we're down to here. So now, we don't forget these ones. There's one. There's one. Now, not all of them. That's all. Nope, not all of them. There we go. There we are. Yes. Alright. There she comes right off like so. We're gonna give that a nice blowout, because look at that. You can see it coming off of it. Here's our motor. That doesn't seem to want to move. There we go. Alright, making progress here. Notice that is in there. That could be important. So let's go ahead and get this out. It should just be these three. We notice we got 1, 2, 3 wires on the black. 1, 2, 3 wires on the yellow. 1, 2, 3 wires on the red. Luckily they're all color coded. So hopefully we won't get that mixed up. Come right back here. Give this a quick pull. Let's just give this a quick pull. There we go. Be careful, careful. Give it a twist. There we go. Oh, we have a rogue wire here. Heading off this way for there. So, go ahead and get that out. And there we go. We have that piece ready for the new one. Now, let's quickly get this out. Oh, is that the small one? It sure is. And there we go. You may have to go ahead and remove this. You and is it gonna go that? It's gonna go that way. Bam. Good, good. All right, next up, let's try and get this motor off. I'll go ahead and slide that back on for the time being, just so we keep it together as one. It appears to be just these few here, which again are all color coded. So I don't think we can mess that up too bad, but there's always a chance. Always a chance of that. Yep. There we go. Yes. Then push down. And there's our motor. Set that off to the side. Go ahead and make a move with that. Let's try and make a move up here. But make the moves. Not afraid of anything. That kind of was hard to get out of there, but it did come out. Now we have our picture, so we'll just take these off. And we'll be able to match them up at a later time. There's our blower off. Now, it appears all we have is this section here. So we're getting close. Alright, let's see what we got down here. What do we see? The arrows saying pinchy. Apparently we got a pinch. Pinch. There we go. That worked out. I'm gonna lay this down. Hey, woohoo! All right. Now, hopefully, I should lift right up on out of there if we can get these guys one at a time. You don't want to hurt them wires at all. Pull it straight out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ah. And just like that, we're ready. And even if we didn't take a picture, this actually, I believe, has to come out. Let's look at the new one. It ain't got that here. This has to come out. Let's see, it's screwed in. I believe it's actually this entire bottom piece here. We're coming in from the back here. There's one. 2. Of course. 3. Where you at? There you are. Oh, let's get some middle ones, right? Yeah, we gotta have middle ones. Don't forget about the middle ones. Is that it? I think that was on the... yeah. There we go. Don't forget that guy. Now we're ready. That's nice. Alright, I believe we got everything off that. So, let's see, that's got the new clip. Since everything I believe is now off of there. Swish. We're gonna remember that that's over there though, just in case, you know, there is something we have to take off of it. We're just gonna reverse. Even with all those wires like this and everything like that, you can see we got red, yellow, black, yellow, blue, red. So it's color coordinated on here for us. Even if we didn't have the picture, we get to this point, we're like, I didn't take a picture of that. These are the only guys that you'd have a little problem with, but I believe they're all different in some way, so you can't plug this one into that one. We'll test that here in a minute though, and it should just go right back on. So we're just going to do the reverse of what we did. Now remember, those are in the back here, lest we forget. I'm going to do the 2 top ones first, just to kind of get it secured down in there. It still looks straight, looks good and on. Oh, there it goes. Coast to coast. Alright, don't forget this guy in here. Yep, right in there. Don't forget the middle one. Who could forget the middle one? There we go. We got that back on, ready to put everything in. Now, first thing I'm going to want to do, remember this guy on the old one? We're going to go ahead and take this off because I don't see wires coming out of there. Before we forget any of that, yeah, no wires. Remember, it was this one, yellow, black, and red. This is for the communicator. You can get it through STIHL. But this one obviously does not have it. So we're just gonna still make sure the cord is in there, in case they ever say, hey, we want that. We'll say, hey, you can get it, because your connection is right there and ready for you. Set it right back in that track, you can see there, just like that. Get this guy back on here. Cool and collected. It's a good song for right now. Cool and collected. That's all we are. So that's all it is. How'd this go? Down in like this, right through there. I think it came down and came in through here. I can get it to go straight down in there. Straight out under there. One, two, and I have 2. There's the third. There's the ground. Come on, ground. Remember, try to be kind of delicate with that. Don't want to break them wires, but there we are. They're set up, ready to go. Put this guy right back on here. Keep it nice and protected. Is that the old one? That's the old one. It's discolored. Let's not do that. Get out of it. Get out of it. Get out of it. Get out of it. Goodbye. There it is. And that's ready to go. Next step. So what do we do next? What was the reverse of this? Rewind the video, let me know. Oh, that's right. You're right. Gonna put this guy back in. Let's give it a quick blow. Good thing to blow these out. That's actually to dissipate heat. So we don't want no dust. Capacitors are alright, but yeah, we want heat dissipating off of that for scientific reasons. Now, let's go ahead and how do I do this? Lay this down. We're gonna set this in first, yes. Alright. Where are we at? Right through here. One at a time, just like how it took it out. Come on, get in there. And try to wire it a little bit better. See if we can have some organization here. We got this one and this one going through. We'll get them going through first. And the yellow. Why not? Then the plug. Probably should have done the plug first. But hey, who am I? There we go. That's back in there like so. Let's track this right back in. Look at that. It was right back in. Now we kind of already know where it's routed. Push that back down in there. And like, they just line right back up. And blue, yellow. Look at that. You can also do that to these over here if we so choose, but I choose not to at the moment. We gotta get this guy over here. This guy's gotta go over here. There we go. There we go. We'll just have him sit just like that. And you will notice one is opposite. And then look, this one is only 4 wires when this one's 6. So you can't even mess these up. That's the fun of it. They could pretty much make it, like this one's got 3. You can't mess these up. Even if you think you believe you're gonna mess it up, it's kind of hard. Just a little bit of common sense and just observing, looking at the wires. We'll be just fine. Now that we got that there, put the, whoa, quick blow, quick blow, quick blow. Quick blow. Right back in. Remember our little pressure points here. Snap that right back in. Push that right back down. Tack it. Tack it. Shake it, shake it all the time. Shake, shake, shake it. Shake, don't be dead. Alright. This is looking good. This is looking good. What's in there, right? Yeah, we're right. We're good. Next up, don't know if this is in reverse order, but I have a feeling we should go ahead and secure this guy down. Now there should be some grooves here. So that one, these 2 grooves here. Is that it? Yeah, those grooves go right inside there. But we ain't got grooves inside here. It is kind of lining up with grooves down there. We're gonna figure this out. I guess we are right. You just gotta turn it a little. Right there? yellow. And as you can see, hard to mess that up. Boom. Obviously, goes right in there. We already have that part of the fan hooked back up. Easy peasy, right? It's not extremely hard. Let's go ahead and get this last guy in there. Parking Day Mountain. There's a little hole right there. Get it through the hole. There we go. Like this, like that. Just like that. It should just... that's supposed to go in here. Don't forget that. That goes right in there like that. There it is. Now these were... these guys. You can see how the head's a little bit bigger there. Oh, this isn't the new one. So these are going to be hard to start like that because there's no grooves in it. We're actually making the new grooves in it. Or new threads, I would say. There we go. That's secured and in where it's supposed to be. Let's go ahead and route this carefully. Just push it right by. It goes in a lot easier than it came out. If we can just get behind that strap and straight through. Straight through that hole down there. The same hole that we put the other cords in for these cords. Going through the same one. Maybe. It's right there. There it is. There it is. Here they are. And there's just plenty of room to get in there. You know, get your fingers in there. They just give you ample amount of room. Get in there. There we go. Now, don't forget to get this in that last little bit. Just like that. Now that's back in and routed correctly. Oh. Alright. Let's start hooking this baby back up after we put this on, right? Right. Alright, we're gonna get this ready to have it be packed down. Because we're going in, putting the tube back on. So I'm gonna just pull that out a little bit. It's gonna It's gonna go right back on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Here's the problems. All is one. We're all as one here. We're all as one. And we're in. No, we're not in. Alright, that's in. So as you can see, we have it here and not even in the bottom. So let's try to lift it up a little. Is that it? Nope. This is fun. This is fun. There we go. Now that's in there. It's close. Come on. So just like that. Alright, take two. Alright, so I figured out what our little problem was there. This tab right here has to go in between here and here. Hope you're seeing that good. But this tab right here has to go in between here and here. So when I was trying to put it on, you may be doing the same thing. When you're trying to put it on like this, the tab is hitting stuff. So, I'm gonna get this straight back up. Like I said, barely just pull this out. Put it on like that and make sure that tab is off that white piece just like that. And then look at that. Right in. Nice, easy peasy. So, that was what we were having so much difficulty with at that juncture. And then we get this, going on. Come on. There we go. Not there, not there. Not there. Alright. Carefully. Let's go just like that. Let's see if we can't get this guy on. Quick flow, quick flow. All right. Oh. Alright. So are we gonna say this hole on there, this hole on there? We have some liner uppers right here. We're gonna have to take this out of here. In a minute. Nope. Nope. So this is just everything you've ever wanted and dreamed of. Alright, so we're gonna take this out just a little, just like that. Are we gonna have to put that in first? Am I upside down? Alright, so we were upside down. Trying to put it in this way, it doesn't go this way, it goes this way. The fin's pointing back. And you can see this gap here goes right in like that. I mean, oh, look at that, we have arrows here. There's some arrows right there that'll help you line it up. And then get it in there. Just like that. Just like that. And then see, just out of nowhere, it just slides right in nice and easy. You're gonna have that on these big industrial jobs. But now that we have it there, and this has actually stayed intact the whole time, let's just tack it down. Lock it in. Lock it in. Locking it in. Let's lock it in. Yep. Yep. Locking it in. There we go. Gonna lock that side in at least. Then give this a lock in as well. Woo! Now we can mess with these guys. Alright, let's get this electrical back in here real quick after all that chaos. We're still locked in there, good. We're still locked there, good. Can move it. Moving. It's in. Now let's route this back wire here. Don't forget about your little silver wire holder right there. If we can find it right there. That guy right back in there. Run that wire back behind here. It's gonna go back behind these guys. And this right here gets pushed down in there. And make sure that black wire is under that holder. Goes right in like that. Oh, you missed the black wire. You missed the ground. Should get my fingers in there. There we go. Ground's in and the other one's in. Now all I did was just lightly lift it up on that tab to get it in there. I don't want to push on the wires. So routed good, routed good. Now we just gotta hook it all up. It looks bad, but it's not. Now I'm gonna do this without looking at the picture I took, because what if you're like, I completely forgot to take a picture. What am I gonna do here? I'm gonna take a deep breath and remember first grade when we learned our colors. Red, 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 blue, blue, yeller, yeller. Go ahead and grab these guys. We're just gonna get it, lock it in. Lock it in. And as if by magic, look at how nice that already is. We're halfway there. Now we just have to get this jumble together. It's easy. Like I said, even messing it up, you can kind of see exactly where these go. They have that memory in them. Look at that. So, what do we got? Black to white. As you can see, this is the female end to male end. Click it in. We're gonna lock that in. Lock it in. Now we've done messed up a little bit and did this 6. There we go. 6. Which one we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Male end to female end. In. Lock it down. Last one. Where is it? Give it. 4 pin, male to female. In. And just like that, easy peasy. We're practically done. All right. Again, gonna separate our wires just a tad here so we can see what we're working with here. If we look at the back, we have black there. We're gonna get 1 black, 2 black in there, 2 ground. That's yellow. Black on there. Black on there. These ones might be a little bit more not willing to go right in. So I'll put the small cord on top. Oops. Actually, we're gonna pancake all 3 of the black wires in between each other. So put that skinny wire in between it. We'll make a little skinny ground sandwich here. Right there. And then the last one. What are we gonna do? Just make sure skinny wire's in the groove. This one's in the groove. What are we gonna do? Tighten her down. Onto red. Psych. Onto yellow. We're gonna get our screw ready here. Yellow, yellow, yellow. All going. 1. I want to get that back one first. Come here. If I can. It's not made for big fingers. It really isn't. So let's set that red one over on the side there. 1 yellow. Right? No. 1 yellow, 2 yellow, 3 yellow. Once again, with all 3 of them on there, gonna make sure they're routed in their grooves there. Just like that. Now, onto the red. Red should be nice and easy, our last 3 wires. Again, gonna make a sandwich with that small one in the middle. Boom, boom, boom. Last small screw. Started kissing everything inside. Then we kissed the drop down. And we're in all 3. Down and tight. In the grooves. And look at that. Easy as that. Now that we're to this point, got all our electrical back in, hooked up. Let's go ahead and put this little guide back on. Remember those 2 go in there. It goes around the corner here. Sets right up there. Now we can throw that out of the way. We don't need that one. Grab the screw. Tighten it down. Boom. 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 Next guy on. Just like that. And give it. Why not? Slides. Right back on. Clicks right in. And there we go. We're ready. We're ready to test. Let's see if I got a battery. And look at what I found. They are 3000. Yeah, let's get it on there. Is this the one for it? This might not be the one for it. No, that's the one for it. There we go. Battery power, almost dead. Perfect. Alright, let's see if we get... Oh, boy, you got some... Well, how do you do? Oh, yeah. He's happy to see me, I guess. Go ahead and tighten that down a little bit, huh? I'd say that's a job well done. Good job, everybody. Good job. Oh, God. Good job, everybody. Good job done. On to the next one, for crying out loud.